Hi everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software and on different topics related to civil engineering field. So, what are we going to learn today? Today, we will learn how you can render any model in Lumion. So I have already created the SketchUp model and I have exported that to FBX format. Now if you want to import some file in Lumion, then you will have to first convert that in FBX format. So how to convert that in FBX format? For that you can just visit the Civil Center channel on YouTube and I will upload a video. So you can see here I have already imported my 3D model and I have adjusted the cloud. So for adjusting the cloud you can simply adjust it like this one. So I would like a clear sky in my model, so I will just remove all the clouds from here. Then using this one you can set the direction of the sun. Okay, so I will just highlight the portion where I want the sunlight, and through this one you can simply set the intensity of the sun. Okay, now we will quickly go to the materials. So how you can choose the material? First of all, you will take the help of the rendering software Lumion and you will also consider your reference image. So in my reference image, you can see all my handrails, even the metallic things, all the things that are over here are in the black shade. Okay, and the walls are of white color. So it is very easy to color this. So let's color the walls first. So I will simply go to the materials over here and here I will choose the material. So you can see once I am selecting my walls, all the things that are of white color are getting selected. Now I will just go to the color and click on it and it will color it in exact white. Now what I have to do, I have to just click on save, then I have to select the bars over here. So I will simply select all the metallic bars and then what I have to do, I have to just paint them in the black color. Okay, so I will just go to the black over here and you can see this is how I can simply paint them to black. So I am going for the dark black color over here. Why so? Because my model is in black color. Okay, so let's provide the black color over here in my handrails over here. Now let's see this one. This one is still to be painted, so I will again go ahead and put a black color on this one. So I would like to just paint all the things in black color and I will also check the intensity of the black. Okay, so all are good. Yeah, everything is fine over here. So this has been painted with a black color. Now let's go to the glasses. So over here you can also see that in the windows we have the bars over here and these are also to be painted with black as given in my reference image. So I will simply paint it in black color. So I will select this one, go to the color and then I will paint it to black. So this was the intensity of the black that I have chosen, and now that it is painted black I can simply click on OK. Now what I need to do, I need to provide a material to this one. So I will select this one and then I will just go to standard and over there I will go to choose color map. From there I will choose the color that I want. So I have already selected the color from the website of Asian Paints. and I can select this color and click on open. Now you can see this color is a little faded, so I can use the colorization tool, and over here I can go for a darker color. Now I will take the help of my reference image from here, and I will try to match these two colors. Okay, so I still need to make it a little light over here. Okay, so this much seems good. So now you can see that we have the desired color over here. Now I will simply click on save, and then I will go to the front, and over here you can see that this color is shining too much. So what I need to do, I need to simply just remove the gloss, reflectivity, even the relief is not needed over here. Now I would like to see it from a point of view. Okay, so now you can see this color is matching with my reference image. So now you can have a clear vision for this one. Okay, so this is just doing fine over here. I need to just lighten the color, or I can just go for a little darker shade of it from this bar. Okay, now I guess this much is fine over here. So what I need to do next, you can see in my reference image over here we have a wooden texture, so we will go for a wooden texture for this portion. Okay, so I will simply select this one, go to indoor, then I will go to wood, and from here I can use a wooden texture. So you can see we have various options over here, and from these options I can pick one of it and just give it a wooden texture. Now I will simply zoom in my image, and I can just remove the gloss from this wooden texture. Also the reflectivity will be neglected, and the relief is also not needed over here. Now what is going to make or bring a bigger change over here? That will be the scale. So I'm just going to increase the scale over here, and I will increase this till the time I get it perfectly matched with my reference image. So now you can see it is giving me a decent view, just as it was in my reference image, right? So now I have the wooden texture over here. Now what I need to do, I need to just go for the check of the doors and the other things that are present in this building. Okay, so I will go for the doors. So let's go for the door on the roof. So I have provided all the doors with the same type of material, so it will not affect it. So I am going to get the wooden texture for these doors too. So let's observe the rendered image first, and you can see here we have used a little darker shade of the wood. So I will go for the darker shade of wood. So right now I have used this one, so I am going to go for darker shade of this one, so I can pick this one, or let's go for another option also. So first of all you will have to browse through the various options, and once you finalize an option you can simply go ahead and just reduce the gloss, reflectivity, relief, and increase the scale of it. and we can see that now we have a decent wood texture over my door. Or I can also go for a better texture. So this much seems fine, but I will also zoom out over here and we will see whether it is looking good or not. And by the time I'm going to just click this one, and here I am going to provide a metal. So for that I will go to metal and there I will provide it a metal. I will reduce the glass to 0.7, make the reflectivity to 1.1 and the relief to 0.7. I don't need to just mess with the other things over here, and you can see our image is beautifully taking all the colors. Now we are going to modify the glasses over here. So first of all I will zoom on any window. So here I will just select the window and then I will go to glass. And over here you can see we have different types of glasses over here. So you can also choose for the color of the glass. So I would like to keep it bluish, or you can also change it according to your need. I will just decrease the transparency, reflectivity should be increased, and let's see how these glasses are looking from the external point of view. If it is looking good, then it is fine. Otherwise, we will simply change the glasses. So over here, it is not looking very good. So I will take the help of the reference image again and I will see what kind of glass has been used in my reference image. And you can see we have a little greenish glass over here. So we are going to use little greenish glass instead of using a bluish glass. So I will change the color. Let's make it a little darker. Then we are going to increase the reflectivity. So you will have to just keep checking with all these things. So I have increased the reflectivity and decreased the transparency over here. Now I will click on OK, zoom out of my model, and I will see whether I am getting the desired type of glass or not. So you will have to go through all these things in order to find the perfect video or the perfect rendered image over here. Okay, so you will have to just go through all these things, and right now what we need to do next. So I will have to just increase the value, decrease the value, and then check whether it is acting in a proper manner or not. Then we have another glass on this side. So let's look for this glass too in the reference image. So this is again a greenish glass. So again I will provide a greenish glass over here. So I'll go to glass, RGB, provide it a greenish shade, and then I will simply fix the reflectivity and the transparency over here. Okay, so I am setting the reflectivity first, then I can set the transparency. And now that I am getting a good glass over here, I can simply zoom out of it, and then I will just analyze my model. Now I will again go back to my reference image over here, and I can see a plantation around it. So I will do the plantation around it. So I have to place the plants over here on the right also, and then we have the palm trees So how to do that? We will go to the, and now I can simply increase the height of the tree in case needed, but I need one more tree in the backyard, and then I can start looking for the plants. So I will go to the plants, and here I am going to look for the perfect plant that is meeting my requirement. So I can hover over different pages over here, and you can see that we will get different types of plants. So you can simply look for different types of plants in this one, and I'm not getting very good plants, but this one seems good. So let's place this one first and let's see how it works. So I'm just going to rotate it, then I can just move it to the front. I can always resize any plant or anything that is there, adjust its place, then I can reduce the size. Then I will simply move it to the left, and if its length is too much for me, then I can simply use this one at the right. Move it, just check if it is needed to be rotated, then we are going to simply rotate it a little bit. Now I will pick it from here and move it to the desired location. And what is my desired location? My desired location of it is near the walls. So I will simply pick this one and place it. Now let's bring it to the front. Go to the photos. Here I will zoom it in order to get, and this will start taking out the render. So let's set the focal length, set the view, click on store camera, and let's take out a desktop print. So I will make it 1, save it over here, and it will take out the render of this image. And after the render is complete, we will simply go ahead and see how is my rendered image looking in comparison to my SketchUp model that we have seen in the beginning of this session. Okay, so I will simply go to the desired folder. So this is my first trial of the rendered image for this project, and you can see our rendered image is looking like this, and we will compare that with our reference image over here. So we need to do a little bit of the changes in the view. However, the colors are looking good. So guys, that was all for today. If you want more such informative videos, then you can visit our YouTube channel, as well as you can also visit our Facebook page, where you will find a number of YouTube videos and the informative posts related to our live online classes. So if you want to register for our live online classes, then you can simply go to the link given in the description. All you have to do is to click on that link and it will open up a Google form for you. You have to just fill your details over here, and I will personally give you a call and I will guide you how to proceed to join our live classes. See you in the next video. Thank you.